Hey guys, it's Brittany. So today we will be starting out the New Year's with a New Year's haul, but not just any normal haul, a YesStyle haul. You guys know how much I love YesStyle and all their clothes are like super cute. So I picked out some stuff from YesStyle and they came in and I'm going to show you guys what I got. And by the way, you can use this code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle, so make sure to go check them out, go off, use this code. I'll put a link to YesStyle in the description too, and also links to all the things I'll show you today. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So there's two on appropriate to me right now, which is this Hawaii long sleeve. So this one is like foresty green. I think it's supposed to be, oh, Brandy and Melville. It's kind of funny though. Look at oh yes, I love this place. It looks a lot like the Brandy Melville one, which is why I got it, because I always kind of low-key wanted this, but it was like really expensive in Brandy Melville. But yeah, it just has Hawaii in like a yellow gold and USA just below it. I feel like it would look cute if you put some collars or just by itself. I got a size large because I wanted it to be pretty oversized. Indeed, it will be, which I am really happy about. And yeah, it's just like something really easy to throw on. And it's representing where I am, where I live, where I grew up. Like, despite me living in a literal tropical area, I got so many knit things. So anyways, with that said, I got another knit thing. But this is a sweater vest. Look how cute it is. It's really soft. It feels almost the same as this one. By the way, this is also from YesStyle. I literally love this. It is so cute. I love everything from YesStyle. So this would be really cute with like a white long sleeve, white collared shirt, or even by itself. They have like two other colors in this, but I really like this. I don't know, they named it almond color. And it just got this like Argyle design with browns, blacks, and oranges, like a burnt orange. It's really stretchy. A little added warmth to your wardrobe, your outfit. Or go towards the pants now. I got an interesting pair of pants. I got these jeans. Like, these are like low-key patchwork jeans kind of. Like, I don't know, it just looks more interesting than regular jeans. So yeah, it's like between light wash and like medium wash. Even the pockets, like over here, it's like a light wash. The pockets in the back too are light wash. And yeah, they're also wide-legged. Straight-legged, I guess. I don't know what to call it. Very fitting for me because I will literally only wear wide-leg jeans. All the pockets are functioning. Seems pretty sturdy. Overall, looking really good. It spices up your outfit a bit, you know? You get two washes out here. Going crazy. But I didn't only get tops and bottoms. I actually got hats too. More specifically, these are berets. So I got this really nice black one. I always wanted one with like this band thing. I don't know why. Like, I didn't want just like a plain one like without this band. I wanted one specifically with this band. I don't know, it just looks more like sleek that way. But yeah, it also has like these adjustable straps in the back so you can make it tighter on your head if you want. I feel like this would be really cool to add with my outfits. And it fits really nicely. I tried it on. Like, literally, berets don't even have to be worn with something fancy. You can wear it with anything and it still looks good. It still matches. It still works. But yeah, that wasn't the only beret I got. I got this white-ish one. This creamish. Oh, not white. Off-white? Cream. But this one also has those little strings as well to like tighten it, or yeah, you know, if you want it tighter on your head. I think it would look really well with if I'm wearing something really like colored, spring colors, just to like add something to my head, my hair. It's not wool like the black one. It's more like just regular fabric, but it does shape well. I don't know, I barely do anything with my hair, so maybe these berets will add a little spice to my hairstyles. I'm literally just putting a hat on, but still, it looks cute. Oh, I did get one shirt. It's like a tie-dye. I don't know, I just thought it looked so like edgy. Black and white, just tie-dyed. Sometimes I have my edgy moments, you know? Me wearing a freaking flower sweater. Just like an oversized tee, you know, like you can wear it with like maybe like wide leg jeans or like leggings, anything really. Little comfort shirt. It's like not super thin, but it's like comfortable thin. The tie-dye even runs through the back. I can see myself wearing this a lot. You can wear it at home, wear it out. But the small little text says, "The sun watches what I do, but the moon knows all my secrets." Yeah, that looks cool. I just thought it looked cool. So, and oh my gosh. I was so dumb, but I actually ordered something I already had, but just forgot that I ordered it before. I found the same exact top in a backpack. Still in this packaging. I just forgot that I put it in there. And here's another one, the same exact top. But I'll just show you anyway. Maybe I'll like let my sister have it, or I don't know. I also have a white one, but right now I have 2 of these black ones. And I like that it's light. Fitted, scrunchy middle, so that it fits to your body. And then like these shoulders like puff up a little. I don't even know what the style is called. I kind of forgot. Like a princessy look-ish, preppy, pilgrim, I don't know. A square neck, puffy sleeve top in black. And I really like the white one, so I just thought having a black one would be nice too. It's perfect for like if you have like a slightly more formal occasion. Perfect for a little hint of preppiness. Or something like that. And then the last thing I got was this strawberry sweater. Oh my god, wait. You know, this is actually the first time I opened all of these. Wait, why is the shape looking like that? It's actually pretty thick too. Oh my gosh. Just throw on, maybe wear some leggings. Like this like screams comfort. I just couldn't help myself. So it's just a cream colored with huge strawberries on it. This is perfect if you live somewhere cold and not in the tropical area. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I also got this really cute tape. It has flowers on it. It's so cute. It's like washi tape. Like, by the way, guys, they don't only have like clothes and accessories. They got like stationery and all. Everything you can imagine. Like the previous times I bought from YesStyle, I got like utensils. They got it all, guys. They got it all. But anyways, that was all I got from YesStyle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, seeing all the stuff I got for this new year, 2021. New clothes, new me, new year, new things to achieve. Remember, you guys have the power to make this year great. You are capable of achieving anything that you set your mind to. So let's make 2021 a great year. I believe in you guys. We can do it. We can make it better for ourselves and live the life we deserve. Didn't mean to go down that route so deeply, but it's true. I just really want to start off this year letting you guys know that, so you guys can start on it, start on what you want to do, and achieve great things. Also, just to remind you guys again, you can use my code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle. I'll also have links in the description box to the products, to YesStyle, all that stuff. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Links to my social medias will be in the description box, and if you made it this far in the video, comment down Happy New Year, or maybe even 2021 or Happy New Year, whichever you like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!